Hi, my dear achievers. A super warm welcome to the Abundance Series 30 Days to Rewire Your Relationship with Money. I'm so excited to be with you in this journey and to nurture this area of our life. Money is also an important area of our life because when there is no money, we feel the lack, and when there is too much money, it also makes us feel anxious, right? So, how do we feel safe with money? How do we attract more abundance? How do we really install those abundance codes into our subconscious mind so that money feels easy, money feels simple, and money is an energy, right? At the end of the day. So, when you are able to align with the energy of money, when you are able to keep your vibrations high, and when you are able to release all those old limiting beliefs and stuck energies around money, which may have come to you through your own past experiences, or it may have come to you, from the childhood conditioning, or you may even have inherited some of these money patterns, right? So, in these 30 days, we are going to look into all of that. And how are we going to do this? We are going to do this through a very powerful tool called as EFT. What is EFT? EFT is emotional freedom technique. We all know that emotion is nothing but energy in motion, right? And we are all energetic beings. So it really comes down to what kind of energies are currently stored within my body, right? What kind of emotions are stored in my body, because every experience that you've had, let's say with regards to money, those emotions, if we have not processed them, if we have not really acknowledged them, then it doesn't go anywhere else. It all gets inside our body and it gets stored there, right? And the first body that gets impacted with all these stuck energies is the energy body, right? So we have this physical body, and over this there's also the energy body. And just like how in the physical body we have, veins and blood is running through the veins, same way in our energy body we have meridians and life force, right? The energy is flowing through those meridians. So what has happened right now is a lot of those unprocessed emotions, stuck emotions, are currently stuck in our meridians, and that is why we will be tapping into those meridians, right? Because when we do that, then slowly the stuck energies gets released, and the minute the stuck energies gets released, we actually start feeling a lot more better, a lot more lighter, a lot more relaxed. And money loves relaxing energy, okay? Money loves ease. So when we are able to bring in that ease energy, that relaxing energy within ourselves, then money just wants to come into our life, right? We feel that if we are going to be stressed, if we are going to be worried, and if we are going to take a lot of action, then money is going to come to us. But that's not true, because at the end of the day, money will come only if you believe that money is easy, only when you believe that you are abundant, like you are the portal of abundance, right? Abundance is not outside of you, abundance exists within you. So when you are able to operate from that energy, then automatically money loves to be in such energies, and then money just comes automatically, right? I'm not saying that you just do the inner work, you just do these EFTs and don't take any action. Of course you have to take action, but you are going to now take action more from an aligned space, right? Where you're not just worrying and stressed and anxious and angry and you're trying to take action, but your actions are now coming from a place of peace and ease and calmness and relaxation. And that is why the results are also going to come through very, very easily. All right. So now I'm going to explain you how we do EFT. Okay. So as I said, EFT is nothing but we are going to tap into our meridian points. Now, of course, there are a lot of meridian points within our energy body, right? It's practically impossible to tap into every meridian point, right? So what are we going to do? Researchers have, all gratitude to the researchers who have found out that there are 10 meridian points, which if we tap is more than enough for the energies to start flowing smoothly. Okay, so I'm now going to tell you what are those 10 meridian points. All right, so first of all, how do we tap? Okay, so you will have to tap in a way that feels firm, okay, but it also has to be a gentle one. Okay, it shouldn't create any kind of pain, like I don't want you to do this so much. You see, this is not the intensity. You just tap. You have to feel that you're tapping, so it has to be firm, but it has to be gentle. Okay, so this is how you tap. Now what are the 10 meridian points? Let's begin. So we start with this. Okay, it is called as side of the hand or karate chop. Okay, we start with this and then we go to the top of the head. Okay, and it doesn't matter, right hand, left hand, doesn't matter. You want to do with both hands, you want to do with one hand, totally up to you, whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, it doesn't matter. So top of the head, and then you have the eyebrow point right here. You can just use 2 fingers for this. So you can either tap like this or just one, or this works. Okay, eyebrow point. This is the next point, which is called as side of the eye. While you're tapping, it's up to you. You can keep your eyes closed if that makes you feel more relaxed, or if you want to keep your eyes open, that also works. Okay. Next is under the eye. Okay, so every point here you'll see a bone there. Okay, so that's where you tap. Okay, under the nose, chin point, the next point is this. So either you can use this part to tap, or you can even do this. Okay, then under the shoulder, so from your armpit about 1.5 inches, you tap in there. Okay, and then between your ring finger and your pinky finger, you have this space. You just need to rub this. Okay, so these are the 10 meridian points. Make a note of it, practice it a couple of times so that you're well aware of what those meridian points are. Okay, now you have 2 options. Either you can always tap all these 10 points, definitely you can do that. Okay, or let's say sometimes you're probably doing this audio while you are going to, while you are in transit, okay, or you're going somewhere and it is not possible for you to tap into every point. No problem, you can still tap into this point and this point. So either you tap through all 10 points, or you can just tap into this and this. So you can keep doing this and this. These 2 are the most powerful points. So even if you don't get to do the rest, just these 2 is also more than enough. Okay, and sometimes let's say you're not even able to do this because you're in a public area. Okay, no worries, you can just keep doing this. This is also powerful. Okay, so I'm giving you the flexibility so that it's easier for you to do it, and because mind is going to give you reasons, right, to not do it. So you'll have to tell yourself it's easy, it's simple, I can do it anywhere, I can do it on the go. And literally EFT is that. That's why it's such a beautiful tool, because you can do it almost everywhere and it is so powerful and so effective. Okay, so you got all the points. Now in the audios, I'm not going to be instructing side of the eye, under the eye, chin point or collarbone point. I'm not going to give those instructions. I want it to be up to you which point you feel like tapping. Okay, so in the audio I have only shared the statements. I have only created the statements and I've made an audio out of that. I have not given any instructions in terms of which point you need to tap. So once, what I would recommend is just after you watch this video, just try tapping all the points and see which one is making you feel more relaxed and calm, right? Like I said, these 2 are the most powerful points. So you can just stick to this, or if you feel like going through all 10, that's also fine. And it's okay, like it's not necessary that you have to follow the order, right? Sometimes let's say you're forgetting the order, that's fine. But I would definitely request you to practice these meridian points so that it's at the tip of your fingers, and when you are listening to the audio and you're tapping, you're not getting disturbed and you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, so that's the point here. So the audios will just have the statements. Okay, so ideally every statement you tap, for every statement you'll be tapping each of the points, right? So let's say I say that, for instance, even though I feel scared around money, I now open my nervous system to receiving large sums of money. Wealth is my birthright. I love money, money loves me. Okay, so this is how. So every sentence that I will be saying in the audio, it's up to you. If you want to change in between the statements itself, that's also okay, or you can keep it simple. For every statement, you will take one point and you will tap. Okay, so I hope it's easy, simple, and all that you need to do now is just plug into the audio that I'll be sharing with you and start tapping and keep saying the sentences along with me, either in your mind or out loud. I would prefer if you can say it out loud. It makes a lot of difference, and I have given enough gaps so that you can even repeat after me. Okay, so you see what works for you, and it's definitely recommended that you do this at least 2-3 times during the day. I've tried my best to keep almost all the audios to about 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. Some of it might extend a little bit more than 15 minutes, so I'm sure you'll be able to take out 15 minutes at least 2-3 times a day, and just plug in the audio and start tapping and repeat after me. Okay, when you are repeating, I want you to repeat it from a place of as though you mean it, because remember, body is always listening to you. Okay, so the way you are going to repeat it also matters, right? So the one way of saying it is I'm abundant, and the other way of saying it is I am abundant, right? So it's like this is a fact, right? This is what I am, or this is who I am. Okay, so important for you to bring in that conviction. Okay, that really makes a difference. It's not about just the technique. It's also about the way you are, the kind of energy that you're giving to the technique. Okay, so I release all the scarcity imprints. I release all the scarcity imprints. You see, so bring in that conviction when you are saying the statements along with me or repeating after me. Okay, that's very, very important. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to set an intention before you start with these audios. I want you to set an intention. Okay, so for example, my intention is to expand my nervous system so that I can attract large sums of money. Okay, or you could say that my intention is to release all the scarcity imprints that are coded within my subconscious mind, or my intention is to release all the stuck energies and unprocessed emotions that I have experienced around money, right? So I want you to set an intention, right? And that will really help you to stay focused. That will help you to understand as to why you're doing this. And when your why is clear, then automatically that itself brings a lot of strength into the inner work that you'll be doing. Okay, so set your intention and share it with me. I'll be looking forward to that. And along with the audio that I will be sharing with you, I will also share with you a switch word and what it means. Okay, now this switch word, every day you will be getting one switch word. Okay, it's a money switch word that I'll be sharing with you. And so I want you to maybe write it down a number of times or see it. So what I generally do is in the post-it, I just write down the switch word and I place it somewhere where I'm able to continuously see it. So the idea is to keep looking at that word, or keep reminding yourself of that switch word. So I'll give you a switch word and I'll give you what it means as well, also a mantra along with it. So I want you to write the switch word as many number of times as you can during the day, throughout the day. You can just keep writing it. Like for instance, you're working and then now you've taken a 2 minutes break, so just write the switch word, right? Chant the mantra, right? At least 11 times. Try to chant the mantra during the day. Again, you can do it anytime, and I'm going to make sure that the mantra that I give you, it's easy for you to remember, so that you can just keep saying it in your mind also sometimes, right? So this is how the journey is going to look like, and I'm sure you're very excited and ready to get started. So let's create abundance and let's feel abundant truly from within.